Well, hello there. I'm Shannon Grissom, and welcome to another episode of Painterly's 2-Minute Tips. Inside, you'll find tips on painting, marketing, the creative process, and so much more. Don't miss a thing. Please be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you inside. Hey guys, today we're going to talk about radical trust. Most children have it. Left to their own devices, children are creative machines. They paint, sing, sculpt, create elaborate stories. They come up with creative uses for objects that have nothing to do with their original intent. They're so inventive. They don't question their creativity. They just trust. They just do it. As we age, things begin to shift a bit. Some children continue to create all their lives, others are thwarted and can't seem to get past it. And some of us are somewhere in the middle. For the longest time, I was really insecure about my painting. It didn't look like anybody else's, and I tried to create proper pieces, and I took myself way too seriously. It took me many years to get back to my childlike way of creating. How would you create if you knew there were no mistakes? If you knew that everything you did was a step toward making something wonderful? Here's a sketch that I started blocked in using acrylic. I first sketched it out with a brush and I thought, I need to loosen up. And so I just took a palette knife to it and just added some strokes here. You know, if I were to be my old self, everything would be just nice and tidy. But then the magic just wouldn't happen. Just by little strokes. Things start to come alive. Does it always come out the way I wanted? No. But I'm going to keep going until I get there because I totally trust the process. Creativity is not a straight line, and I'm grateful that I have learned to trust. I'd love to hear about your dance with creativity. Drop me a line and let me know what you're working on and if there's anything that you're having trouble overcoming or what you did overcome. Thanks for joining me today. For the latest tips and lessons, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you next time.